So this is a quick look and demo of the Brita XL water filter dispenser. It comes very nicely packaged so the plastic is not going to get scratched up or destroyed. And we think the black top and spout looks really nice. And we wanted to find a water dispenser where the filter lasted a long time. So this does come with some simple instructions and also a packaged filter as well. It comes with one. And this does last about 2 months, which is really nice. It also holds about 27 cups of water. So we can get a lot of glasses or cups of water out of this throughout the day. You can see there's a max fill line there. I like to fill it up by just taking off the top completely. We find that to be a little bit easier. And then we can just pull our sink head over and have that fill up basically to the top, not quite all the way, but very close. You'll know it's working when it starts to drip through that filter and that water's running through it. And then what I really like about this, our favorite feature, is ultimately these little handles on the lip. So you can carry it to your fridge or your counter, wherever you're keeping it very easily, because it does get heavy once there's quite a bit of water in there. So it's nice to have those handles. The spout is super easy. You can kind of adjust it so it's coming out in a small amount or a large amount. Overall, we really like this Brita XL and definitely recommend it to others.